Bulldog Tractor here. Well, I finally had it. I finally had it with the 3-point arms and the sheer lack of adjustability and the absolute pain of hooking up 3-point attachments. You're gonna say, well, put an eye match on, put a quick hitch adapter on. I can't. The attachments I run are not quick hitch compatible. The stump grinder needs too big of a swing for the PTO shaft to be in a little quick hitch. The other one I use is it's a 66-inch cutting width brush hog that I go through large trees with, and I don't want added stuff on the back of here. The brush hog is 1,200 pounds alone, so I don't want to be further away from the 3-point lifting arms. So swapping between the two, a quick hitch adapter isn't going to get me anywhere. It's going to get the maybe brush hog on and off, but I'm not going from a brush hog to something else. I'm going from a brush hog to a stump grinder. So every time I take the brush hog off, I'd have to take the quick hitch off also to get back to the stump grinder. But the 3 Series comes with adjustable lift. These little guys. I don't know how much it's going to help, but I do know it'll help a little. There's a little bit of play in it. So we're gonna try it and see how well it goes.
All right, just stop the video there. You don't even need to go any further. Go out, get the Class 1 3025E hitch couplings. The electric chainsaw that you hear in the background going is the stump that I went out and ground that very same day. Put the stump grinder on, and if it was 2 minutes, it wasn't a second longer. Absolutely a game changer. Just a game changer. Stop the video, call your dealer, say, I need the 3 Series 3025 hitch couplings, and get further in life. Just stop the video. And what happened here? Yep, that's broke.
Okay, we did it. We did some time lapse on that. Really, it was about 5 minutes, maybe. Not a big deal. Not a big deal at all. There's 2 bolts holding this pin in. Not a farmer. They're 15 millimeter. These big bolts holding in the turnbuckles, 24 millimeter. All you do is take the 15 millimeter bolt, you take that out, you slide 1/2 off, and this thing just falls down. These metal bushings in here go through the frame, so they just slide in and out. If they come out, no big deal. Literally no big deal, and I have high hopes for this in fixing my 3-point hitch problems. Saturday we had a big day of going down and doing some pretty extreme brush hogging. Got up at 5 a.m. and to take the stump grinder off to put the brush hog on, over 45 minutes of my morning was spent doing that. At least 45 minutes. I was on an angle. I mean, it had some bad conditions to do that work, and it was costly. It hurt me. Now the next step is, let's go try to hook this thing up to the brush hog and see how much it helps. And if it goes faster in 45 minutes, I bought these through the dealer. This is the 3025 was it swing arms, lift arms, 3-point arms. Okay, hitch coupling is what John Deere calls it. It's a 3025 hitch coupling. What were they? $300. So they're not cheap, but if I can save 45 minutes of my time in the morning switching attachments, it'd be the best $300 ever spent. So let's go back and let's try to put on the brush hog. See how much trouble we have.
Get more forward. Well, we'll try this one. Try this one. Oh, are you kidding me? Oh boy. That's a game changer. You gotta be kidding me. That's ridiculous. That's a game changer. Sure. Ah, okay. Let's try that. Still figuring. Yeah. Do that. And then that. Ah. That's it. So there we go. 45 minutes it took me the other morning, 5 a.m. Saturday morning, trying to hook this thing up. Figured it out. So these are the 3025, I believe, hitch couplings from the John Deere dealer. I think it was around 300 bucks. And literally it went from a 45-minute job to, well, you saw it. I mean, it's no time, simple. So, hope you found this video informative. Hopefully it helps you make a decision. I like that these are John Deere dealer parts. If I break them, bend them, you know, et cetera, I'm always going to be able to find them. I think they're built with good quality from the dealership. And, you know, the next part is we're going to take it out in the field and we're going to abuse them. I mean, these pins are already bent. And we're going to bend more 3-point pins. And we'll see if these hold up to it. We will be taking down 4, 5, 6-inch trees right at them, coming off the brush hog and these 3-point arms. So they are going to get used, they are going to be abused, and we'll see the durability episodes to come. If you liked what you saw, you found something informative, and hopefully it helps you figure out what 3-point quick hitch style connector works for you. If you found that you like this, please like, share, and subscribe. There will be more life hacks in the future. Thank you.